Today I'm going to be installing this hitch. I have a 2018 Ford Transit T250 and I'm installing a Curt hitch. I think it might be a class 4, I'm not quite sure. It says 6,000 pounds, 900 pounds tongue weight. So this is what it comes with, the hitch. You'll see these metal plates here that act as a washer. This is for fishing the bolt through if needed. And you'll see there's a raise where that washer goes. There's three nuts basically, and you have to tap these to make it go smoother. So I have a tap here. It is just a Harbor Freight tap. It's a size 12 M12 with a 1.75 pitch. So I have that, and I have some oil. I'll be tapping that so that the bolts go in easier. And I'm gonna have to get the floor jack. I'm doing this all by myself, so to get the floor jack to lift the hitch up, it'll make life easier. I'm just doing this for a bike rack for now. I'm not gonna be installing any wiring harness or anything. Literally in 2 weeks I'm going up to Acadia for 2 weeks, and I'll be putting bikes on the back, so that's the plan. I tried tapping it with the tap, wasn't having any luck. So basically I rested those, I don't know what color, gold colored bolt and nut in the back there. I rested those against there, and I unka-dunka'd the front ones on with the impact gun, just like loosely. So I'm gonna finish doing that on the other side, and then it should be good. Hopefully all goes well. But I couldn't for the life of me get this tap started in there, and I don't know if it's maybe just because it's a little bit too rusted. I don't really have drill bits handy or anything at the moment, so I'm just using what I have. I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, if it's not, then I'll deal with it later. I can also put different hardware in there if I had to, but I think this will be okay. Yeah, it's working. All right, I got all 6 in, 3 on each side, and I'm torquing them right now. The M12 bolts get torqued to 90, and the 1/2 inch get torqued to 110. So I got the torque wrench here set up. So this is the Curt hitch. Just kind of shows the setup. 3 bolts on each side, and it was not a fun project to install. It went very quick. It was not too bad, but I could not tap it for the life of me. I could not get the bolts to the thread to tap, so I had that problem. And then I forgot my impact reducer from like 3/4 to 1/2 inch, or I'm sorry, 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch driver, so I couldn't use the right socket. It was just a mess, but it's installed. It's straight, pretty straight, I think. I measured off of each side of the hitch. It's pretty straight, so I think it'll be okay. And you can see the ground clearance is pretty good. I kind of wish it sat up a little bit higher, but this is totally sufficient. And like I said, I'm just using this for my bike hitch. So yeah, there it is. On to the next project. So if you're thinking about installing the Curt, honestly, half an hour maybe half an hour to install it, if that. If you're gonna try to tap it, then use a better tap than the one I used. I used the Harbor Freight, but that's what it looks like. So this is actually my swing away setup here. This thing's been chilling out in the woods here. This is a swing away setup. It's a Yakima, and basically you loosen this. I think everything will clear on this. And loosen this. You pull this pin here, and then when you have your bikes on here, you know, if you want to open the back door, I used to use this on a Tahoe, but if you want to use this for like the back door, what you can do is you can swing this out so your bikes are coming away, and then you can tilt it like this and it locks there, and then you can go out all the way. So the bikes will be out to the side here now, and that will allow you hopefully to open the door. Lets me open the door pretty good distance. That's about all I can get, but it'll let me open the door enough to get into the back if I have to get something out. When I get set up at the campsite, I'll just undo the hitch and put it on the ground or something. But so this is a Yakima, and that's how far that opens up for anyone that's curious if you're looking to buy one of these used or something. I just installed the hitch today. This is the bike rack, and there's a couple pins that kind of comes apart here. So it looks like it'll work pretty good for what I need. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you find it informative, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it.